Hi, I'm Nate and you're watching Photolearningism. Let's catch up on what's come about in Kdenlive 22.12. Specifically with the effects controls, I wanted to show you what's happened so that you don't get confused like I did when you see it. So let's hop on over and take a look. All right, so as I mentioned, we are on 22.12.0 presently. That's where I am, and on Ubuntu, and it's working very, very swimmingly. I did notice there's a small caveat now with the effects controls, where when I bring an effect in, and I've done many videos on that, please go watch those if you're curious how to apply effects. But on the interface over here now, what I've noticed is that when we add keyframes, one difference is that it used to be that you had one button to kind of work and duplicate a frame. And it used to be where you had to select the frame and then drag the scrubber over and then copy or duplicate that one. Now they've separated this into two buttons. So what you have to do is when you create a keyframe that you want to duplicate, you use the copy button. And this is actually a lot better because you can make multiple copies of that without having to reselect and duplicate that other source keyframe. So that's pretty cool. Second thing is that they have changed the interpolation. It used to be a drop-down menu. Now it is this kind of angular thing that appears, and you need to set the kind of motion, the interpolation, that you will apply. I've gone over this before as well, but in short, the linear is a very very linear. It's a very straight rate of change. It's a 1-to-1. Discrete is a little varied, and smooth is eased. Those are really the kind of the big updates of how that works and how that really can affect going forward into Kdenlive. Again, these are good changes. These are smart changes in that it makes a lot of sense, and it actually makes it easier. For me, it was a little jarring because it wasn't the same as it was, and I just had to study it for a minute to figure it out. So I am sharing that with you so you can keep pace and you can get right back on your feet and get creating in Kdenlive. By the way, Kdenlive is a fantastic free tool. Go download it if you haven't tried it already. It is free, open source, and you lose nothing by trying it. It is backed by the KDE group. It is a fantastic group of developers, and I would highly recommend this tool for all your video and really animation. They're getting into some of those things as well, which we'll continue to dig in the videos ahead. So thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if that was useful. Subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I will see you at the next video.